Hi, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we discussed about what are the main challenges of machine learning. So here in this video, we are going to see the first challenge of the machine learning is insufficient quantity of training data. So the first challenge is insufficient quantity of training data. So insufficient quantity of training data in machine learning refers to a situation where the available data set for training a model is very too small and to effectively capture the underlying patterns and complexities of the problem at hand. So that means the data set is very small in order to get the patterns in your problem statement. So this limitation can lead to the poor model performance and overfitting the model and biased predictions. So this is insufficient training data can occur for various reasons like cost and time constraints. Collecting a large amount of diverse data can be expensive. It is expensive and time consuming. So due to that one, it is very difficult to collect the data for specialized domains. So second one is data privacy and security. In some cases, it is very difficult to access the sufficient data may be restricted due to privacy and security concerns. That limits the data sets very small size. And the next problem is domain specific challenges. Certain domains like medical diagnostics or rare events, it may have limited data available due to rarity of the case. So due to that one, we can get the less amount of data. So in order to overcome this problem, we are having the several approaches to overcome these problems. First one is data augmentation. Create additional data by using the synthetic data by applying transformations or modifications to the existing data. By using this one, we can increase the size of the data set, thus expanding the data set and enhancing its diversity. And second approach is transfer learning. Utilize the knowledge from the pre-trained models on the relevant tasks or domains to the bootstrap the learning process and improve the performance on a smaller data set. So by using the transfer learning approach, we can improve the performance on the smaller data sets. And third approach is collect more data. If possible, try to acquire more relevant and diverse data to strengthen the model's understanding and generalization capabilities. Fourth approach is active learning. Use an iterative process where the model actively selects the most informative samples from a larger pool of unlabeled data for annotation, thus optimizing the learning process. It's essential to carefully consider the chosen approach as there might be trade-offs between the model complexity, computational resources, and the effectiveness of the resolving the data scarcity challenges. Additionally, practitioners should always try to collect high quality and representative data whenever possible to ensure robust and reliable model performance. Thank you for watching our video. In the next video, we are going to see non-representative training data. Thank you.